this is a fun product. I think a lot of people will be happy with this. Finish off this test with a little race back to the house where I put both the Neo and the Neo 2 up to track me, and then I will film it along the way. So medium rear flat. So at least we have a little bit of separation. I know that from my test yesterday, where the original Neo was trying to kill the new one several times. So this is rear, medium, flat. So let's go. See what happens. They are following along very nicely. Let's make it a little bit difficult here. See what happens here. So now it's doing something really weird. So let's see what happens if I see how the dynamics is here. They're still here. Hey, look at this. That's from the neighbor. Let's see what happens if I run in this small gap here. Because I know I can bring it along. What are they doing? They're both keeping up. So let's see if I can outrun them. Come on! They're still keeping up. Yeah. Well done, my friends. So, yeah. Whew, that was a tough one.
Follow. 3, 2, 1.
So we changed this one. We changed that to low
Angle. Close.
and close. So
Right. Follow. 3, 2, 1.
that one goes low now. Still from the behind. You can't touch this. Do. You got it. Yeah. So, I think this will be the last run. That's a tough one. Prøv at se her, far. Skal vi se noget her? Du skal lige se noget. Skal du bare se, hvis jeg lige kan nå. Hvad? Nej, det kan jeg ikke. Nej, men det er skide godt, fordi jeg har fået optaget alt det, jeg skulle. Er der æblekage i eftermiddag? Det er også godt nok.
3, 2, 1.
Sådan der, skal du bare se her. Så sætter jeg 2 op. Er det ikke sjovt? So, this was my initial test of the DJI Neo 2. And as you can already, yeah.
Fly in well lit, textured environments.
Okay. So, still want to go out and fly. As you can imagine, I'm still super excited about this product. I'm surprised how much functionality that you're actually getting. And there's quite a significant few upgrades. It's blipping and blopping because I burned off all the batteries, both on remote and drone and all of it. So as you can imagine, I'm pretty excited about this product. And I think it's worth for you to check it out. And of course there's purchase links in the description below where you're going to pick it up. But before you make the decision, then go see some of the other reviews that are made around this product, as DJI has decided to ship this product for my evaluation for free. But of course I will appreciate if you decide to use my link, as you would pay the same and you will help support the channel. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, then feel free to give it a like. If you didn't like it, feel free to press the dislike button twice. Thank you for watching, and I'll be seeing you on the next one.